Paul's had to go to relieve himself. So not to give him any home tuner aspirations, we'll just quickly step through about how good this Whipple tune is. Dead straight line, all the way up. Absolutely perfect in the power delivery. Even though I've always said this isn't the way to do it, it seems to work for these things. 12.2 AFR, just perfect AFRs across the board. Doesn't dip in rich, lean. 0.8 bar positive boost, so 11, 12 PSI of boost, 14 degrees of ignition timing. If you gave it to Paul with a fully credited HP tuners dongle, he'd manage to knock about 20 off that.